What letter was that?
D.
Okay, what's next?
Y.
Lauren, what you got going?
Big
All right.
picture of her.
All right, Lauren. Okay, Dylan, what's the next letter? D-Y. What's that?
Ale.
Ale. What's next?
Mommy.
What? Thank you.
Mommy.
Okay, we'll roll it.
My nose running.
Okay. Your nose is running?
Yeah.
Were you trying to get something to wipe your nose with?
Yeah.
All right. We have Kleenex. You don't have to undo the whole paper towel. Okay, Dylan, what letter is that?
A.
A.
More. This one is going to be green.
All right. Hurry. We're taking a video. Yay! Hold it up and show it to me.
Take that thing off.
What's it say?
D-Y-L-A-N.
What's that spell?